How to use the gradient tool in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. First load an outline design to use in the media. Step 2. Open the Fill panel from the right toolbar. Step 3. The Fill gradient is located in the middle tab. Step 4. Select the design with no broken path or fill color. Step 5. There are various default gradient choices you can choose from. Step 6. Try different options and see which looks good with the design. Step 7. If you do not like the default gradient choices, click Advanced Options. Step 8. From the advanced options you can use the bars to adjust the gradients by adjusting the color points. Step 9. Slide the inner bars to adjust the gradients. Step 10. You can recolor the gradient color points. Select the color you want to use and use the slider to adjust the gradient. Step 11. You can also add additional color points by clicking between two color points. Step 12. However, once you've added additional color points you cannot delete them. Step 13. Use the transparency slider to make the design more transparent. Step 14. Use the angle to change the rotation of the gradient. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.